G'day! My name is Nathan Linzel, and welcome to episode number 68 of The Fine Art of Distraction. You might notice something a little bit different. Yeah, or maybe not. Well, today is a very special day because I'm actually part of a collaboration. It's the third annual Halloween collaboration! Yeah! Crossing over all over the world. Yeah! It's actually hosted by a very good friend of mine, Donna Cipriana. And Donna, thank you so much for inviting me to come and play with you. Yeah! Right before me was the amazing Angie Mason from Creative Vibrations. And if you haven't checked her out, make sure you check her out right now. And after me, which is actually not until the end of the month, is another friend of mine, Julie Eber from Art by Julie E. So do yourself a favor, tune in at the end of the month to check out the rest of the collaboration. Yeah! What I'm actually going to be doing today is I'm actually going to be pouring a witch. That's right, one of my friends, a witch. Yes, that I actually hand drew on MDF. And what I'm actually going to be doing is I actually carved it out using my Plunge Router, and then I'm going to pour on it. Yeah! So now that I've told you what this is all about, let's head over to the other table and I'll show you what products I'm going to be using, and then let's get into it! Yeah! Thanks, guys. Alrighty then, so here's all the products we're going to be using today, and as you can see, I'm just using Global Colors acrylic paints. Now, there's actually too many colors here to actually go through each individual color because we've only got a very small opportunity of time to sort of have a chat. So what I'll do is, when I'm using each color throughout the video, I'll actually say what color I'm using at that time. But I will mention that all of these acrylic paints have been mixed using the old Shelley art recipe, which is actually TAUBMANS Easy Coat in neutral and SONJA gloss varnish. Now, all of these global colors are available on the global website, and I'll drop my affiliate link in the description box if you guys want to check it out. Alright guys, now that I've showed you what products I'm going to be using, let's head over to the other table and then yeah, let's get into it. Thanks guys.
Okay, so what I'm doing here is I'm putting a 5x5cm grid on this 90x60cm MDF board. As you can see there on my iPad, I've also got a grid there. And basically each one of those little squares on the board actually represents the squares on the iPad. So therefore it makes it a lot easier to actually enlarge the picture that you've drawn. When I was doing this, the hand gave me the most grief, but I finally got it. And there it is. Now I'm just going over it with a texter, and there she is. Now I'm just using my Plunge Router to basically carve out the witch. With the Plunge Router, or with any router, you should basically do 2 or 3 passes. I'm actually only doing 2 passes, and that was enough to sort of carve it all the way out. And now I'm just doing the second pass. As you can see, it's a lot easier on the second time around. And I'm almost done, and there she is. Now I'm just doing a coat of primer, basically to help protect the wood and stop it from warping.
Alrighty then, so as you can see here, I've got my paints mixed and ready to rock and roll. And what I've actually done, I've placed them where I'm going to be basically colouring the witch. So for example, the end of the broom, like the bristles, will be metallic gold, metallic copper, and black. And I might chuck a little bit of white in there as well. Her cloak and also cape and also the hat will be the 2 different purples and also black. The broom stick itself will be the 2 different browns. And I might actually put some white in there. Maybe a little bit of black. I'm not too sure just yet. Her face and also hands are going to be white with the 4 different greens. And then her hair will be metallic silver, and also warm red. So yeah, so now that I've shown you sort of what the positionings are going to be, I'll put the base coat down, which is basically just black house paint, and then I'll start layering the cups. So yeah, wish me luck, guys. Phew! expecting it to turn out this friggin' awesome! Yahoo! I'm just going to quickly sort of wipe her bottom because we don't want to have any of this composition sort of pull away. Guys, I'm super happy with this. Yahoo! And look at these hands. You know I've done something awesome when my hands look like this. Yahoo! Art by Julie E. Alrighty guys, I just want to take this opportunity to say thank you so much to Donna Cipriani from It's Art by Donna for inviting me to this awesome collaboration. I tell you what, I had so much fun because this thing turned out awesome! Yahoo! And just remember, even though I'm the last artist on today's collaboration, it actually continues at the end of the month. So that's actually the 31st of October for everyone in the USA. And for us in Australia, it's actually the 1st of November. And straight off the bat, it's actually Julie Eber from Art by Julie E. So make sure you check her out because she's awesome. I also want to take this opportunity to say thank you for tuning in and watching me how I created this awesome piece because, oh my golly gosh, this thing is wicked cool! And if you liked what you saw here today, please hit the like button. And if you're not yet subscribed to my channel and you feel like subscribing to my channel, please hit the subscribe button, then hit the little dark bell. That'll actually indicate when I upload new videos. And if you think any of your friends or family might like to see how I created this wicked cool witch, please forward it on to them. I'd love for them to have a look at it as well. Alright guys, one more time, thank you so much for joining me on this episode. And this is the fine art of distraction.